In a world often filled with unpredictability and challenges, the philosophy of Stoicism offers a timeless guide to resilience and inner peace. At its core, Stoicism teaches us to distinguish between what is within our control and what is not, empowering us to act with clarity and composure regardless of external circumstances. Learning to act as if nothing hurts you isn't about suppressing emotions or denying pain. It's about mastering your reactions and cultivating an unshakable mindset. This approach helps you navigate life's hardships with grace, aligning your actions with your values while maintaining inner strength. Dive into the principles of Stoicism and discover how to embrace adversity without losing your equilibrium. Chapter No. 1. Why pain controls us. Pain is a powerful force that shapes our actions, decisions, and even our identity. Whether it is physical, emotional, or psychological, pain serves as a warning signal, urging us to address underlying issues. However, its influence often extends beyond its immediate purpose, leading us to make choices or adopt behaviors aimed at avoiding discomfort. This control pain exerts over us stems from its deeply rooted connection to our survival instincts, neurological pathways, and societal conditioning. First, pain's control begins with its biological purpose. As an evolutionary mechanism, pain alerts us to danger or damage, ensuring that we react quickly to protect ourselves. For instance, withdrawing a hand from a hot surface prevents further injury, while emotional pain from rejection might compel us to seek social bonds that are essential for survival. This survival-oriented system has ensured humanity's endurance, but also makes pain an unavoidable aspect of life. Second, pain shapes our behavior by influencing our decisions and priorities. Humans naturally seek to avoid pain and pursue pleasure, a principle known as the pain-pleasure balance. This dynamic drives much of human behavior, from career choices to relationships. We often base decisions on minimizing potential discomfort, even if it means sacrificing opportunities for growth or happiness. Over time, this avoidance can become a subconscious force dictating our lives. Third, chronic or unresolved pain can dominate our mental and emotional well-being. Physical pain can become debilitating, while psychological pain, such as grief or anxiety, can cloud judgment and distort perceptions. These experiences create cycles of fear and avoidance, further entrenching pain's control over our thoughts and actions. For some, this can lead to long-term struggles such as addiction or depression, as attempts to numb pain ultimately deepen its hold. Finally, societal attitudes and cultural norms contribute to pain's control. Many cultures stigmatize vulnerability, encouraging individuals to suppress or hide their pain. This suppression often leads to internalized suffering, where individuals are unable to address or express their pain healthily. Additionally, societal pressures to push through pain can exacerbate its effects, leaving individuals feeling isolated or unsupported. Pain controls us because it is woven into our biology, psychology, and culture. While it serves an essential purpose in alerting us to danger and driving survival, its influence often extends far beyond its immediate role. Understanding the mechanisms of pain and addressing it constructively can help us break free from its grip, enabling us to live fuller, more balanced lives. Conclusion. Embracing the Stoic philosophy of acting as if nothing hurts you is not about denying pain or emotion, but mastering the art of resilience and perspective. It encourages you to focus on what lies within your control, your thoughts, actions, and reactions, while accepting the inevitable hardships of life with grace and composure. By cultivating inner strength and detachment, you transform challenges into opportunities for growth. The Stoic mindset empowers you to face adversity with courage, maintain equanimity in the face of difficulty, and prioritize the values that truly matter. Ultimately, to act as if nothing hurts you is to embody a calm, reasoned approach to life, where external circumstances lose their power over your peace of mind. This practice is not a mask, but a pathway to genuine inner freedom and unshakable contentment. These small changes can create a sense of anticipation and make her value your presence even more. The key is to ensure that when you are available, you're fully present. Quality time matters more than quantity. Being engaged and attentive when you're with her will leave a lasting impression, making her look forward to those moments. Remember, this isn't about playing hard to get. It's about showing her that you have your own focus on self-improvement, life, and responsibilities while still making time for her. Striking this balance can make you more attractive and make her miss the moments you share. 5. Make every lesson 3-moment count when you spend time with her. Focus on creating moments that leave a lasting impression. It's not about how much time you spend together, but the quality of those moments. Meaningful experiences can make her think about you long after you're gone. Instead of routine or predictable outings, try doing something memorable. Plan activities that are unique and engaging. Visit an art exhibit, take a cooking class together, or even explore a new hiking trail. The goal is to create moments that stand out in her mind. Deep, meaningful conversations are just as impactful as exciting adventures. Take the time to truly listen to her, understand her thoughts, and share your own. These emotional connections are what she'll replay in her head when you're not around, strengthening her attachment to you. In today's digital world, even virtual interactions can leave an impression. A heartfelt voice note or a thoughtfully crafted text can carry as much weight as inner interactions. The key is to make her feel valued and special in your shared time by focusing on quality. You're not just making her miss you. You're setting a standard. She'll start to associate the best moments of her day with you, making her crave more of your presence. 6. Post purposefully on social media. Social media is a modern-day tool for staying on someone's mind, but it needs to be used wisely. Posting aimlessly or over for sharing can dilute your image. Instead, use your online presence to subtly showcase the interesting aspects of your life. For instance, share a photo of a scenic hike, a clip of you trying a new skill, or an inspiring quote that reflects your mindset. These posts shouldn't come across as trying too hard. They should feel natural and authentic. What makes this strategy powerful is that it allows her to see you thriving without explicitly involving her. She'll start to wonder about the parts of your life she's not privy to, sparking curiosity and admiration. Avoid using social media to flaunt or make her jealous. Immature tactics like posting pictures with other women or cryptic captions can backfire. Instead, aim to inspire and intrigue, showcase a fulfilling life she might want to be part of. When done correctly, your posts become subtle reminders of your presence. She'll scroll through her feed, see your updates and think, "Wow, he's really got his life together." That intrigue can make her miss you even more. 7. Radiate confidence. Confidence is one of the most magnetic traits a man can possess. It's not just about how you look or carry yourself. It's about your mindset and how you handle challenges. True confidence comes from within. It's about being comfortable in your own skin and secure in your worth. For example, if stop chasing, start attracting. She doesn't reply to your text immediately. Don't panic or double text. Trust that she'll get back to you when she's ready. Your calm and composed reaction shows that you're grounded and not easily rattled. Confidence also means setting boundaries and standing by them. Whether it's pursuing your goals or sticking to your values, a confident man doesn't waver under pressure. This kind of self-assurance is incredibly attractive because it shows that you're in control of your own life. However, confidence isn't arrogance. It's about being secure without needing to prove anything. When you exude this type of energy, people naturally gravitate toward you. She'll notice your unwavering presence and find herself drawn to your calm and collected confidence is the thread that ties everything together. It's what makes your purpose-driven life your mystery and your interactions all the more impactful. When you radiate confidence, she'll not only admire you, but also miss the stability and strength you bring into her life. 8. Limit communication to build tension. Communication is essential in any relationship, but sometimes less is more. Constantly being the one to text first, or always calling her, can make her take your presence for granted. Limiting communication strategically creates an opportunity for her to miss you. This doesn't mean ignoring her or playing hard to get. It's about allowing space for her to take the initiative. For instance, if you're used to texting her every morning, skip a day. If you always call her at night, let her be the one to reach out. These subtle changes shift the dynamic and make her notice your absence. Think of it like a TV series with suspenseful episodes. If every detail is predictable and there's no tension, the excitement fades, but when there's a cliffhanger, you can't wait for the next episode. The same principle applies to communication by creating moments of silence. You build anticipation and keep her engaged. When she starts to wonder why she hasn't heard from you, she'll feel a stronger pull toward you, and when you do reconnect, make those interactions meaningful and engaging. This balance between distance and connection keeps the relationship dynamic and exciting. Practical actions to stay memorable. You now have the tools to make her miss you in a genuine, respectful way. Each of these steps isn't about manipulation or games. It's about becoming the kind of man who's worth missing. Start incorporating these strategies. Gradually focus on creating meaningful moments, building your own life, and radiating confidence. When you lead with authenticity, you'll naturally draw her closer to you. Conclusion. In conclusion, making someone think about you constantly, even if they appear uninterested, is more about focusing on self-improvement and creating meaningful interactions than resorting to manipulation or games. By being confident, showing genuine interest, respecting their boundaries, and cultivating your own passions, you naturally become more intriguing and memorable. Remember, true connection grows from authenticity and mutual respect. The key is to be yourself while showing that you value and understand them on a deeper level.